As with pure visual perception, white or black, the absence of light or the presence of light. The same goes for your sense of audition and pure auditory perception, either the perception of sound or the perception of the absence of sound. Either individually is a pure perception. Your mind's ability to differentiate sound from silence, light from dark, is not pure perception, but is still a function of the mind's interpretation as contextual or differentiated perception, and not pure auditory or visual perception. Pure auditory perception is of sound or the absence of sound. The absence of is still perception. It is the perception of lack or of the absence of auditory stimuli. Both experiences, individually, are pure perceptions, and it is your mind's interpretation and perceived selection as differentiating between sound, light, and the actual perception of the absence of sound or dark. It is only your mind that holds onto either separate pure auditory impression, then maintains both impressions, differentiates them contextually, and then overlays the idea or representation of the pure impression. This is not the actual experience of one or the other. This is no longer a pure perception as experience, but it is instead a form of contextual auditory perception, as it differentiates sound and silence. Instead of only purely perceiving sound or silence. Instead of only purely perceiving sound or silence. Instead of only purely perceiving sound or silence. Instead of only purely perceiving. Instead of only purely perceiving sound. Silence. Sound. Silence. Sound. Silence. Sound or silence.